Hey guys, welcome to Downtime Fun, and today I'm going to give you my solution to the Hanayama Cast Padlock. The padlock is a 5-star out of the possible 6-star puzzle from the Hanayama Cast metal puzzle range. And for a 5-star, basically it's a level 9 expert level puzzle, so it's a little bit challenging. And here goes the solution. For the padlock, it is made up of 4 pieces of metal. So as you can see, there are 2 pieces that makes up the circle, the face of the padlock, and it breaks up into 2 halves like so. And there are also 2 pieces of silver metal pieces with 2 gaps, not symmetrical, but there's 2 gaps. When you take it out of the box, for my solution, the padlock and the keyhole faces myself. So what you have to do is to hold I suggest you to hold the padlock like so, where the line aligns with the gap at the silver piece, but one of the edges of the silver piece below, like so. Move the silver pieces so now it becomes basically 180 degrees of each other, so it goes opposite. And now the first move you have to do is to push the keyhole piece down and the padlock piece, pull it up, and then slide them out sideways like so. With this, now you pull up the keyhole piece and the padlock piece, you push it down and then press them together again. With this move, you have moved the slots into the circular piece. So for the second step, again keeping the padlock and the keyhole piece facing yourself, you see now the 2 gaps in the silver metal pieces can be aligned like so. Just check if the camera can get this. Should be okay. So now what you have to do is again move it to this side so the gaps are at the bottom like so. Again, press this keyhole piece down and the padlock piece, you pull it up to yourself. So what the setup here is that the bottom silver piece have the slot on the left and the top silver piece has the gap to the right. Okay. And now what you have to do is to again push the keyhole piece down and the padlock piece, you put it up to against yourself, and then move the padlock piece down. Swap it so push the padlock piece down and pull the keyhole piece up towards yourself, and then you move the padlock piece up again. With this move, now you have the 2 silver pieces with one of them, the gap or the slit is still remaining within the circular piece, and one of them came out. So for the final step, again do the same thing that we did for the first step, is move the silver pieces 180 degrees of each other, and push the keyhole piece down, padlock piece towards yourself, slide it sideways, reverse, keyhole piece up, padlock piece down, and move them back together again. So you have swapped the 2 silver pieces. The and now the slit on the silver piece will be closer to yourself or closer to the padlock keyhole side. Now what you have to do with the two silver pieces in the right order, align this line with the first silver piece which is closer to you. Align this line with this part, the edge of the slit. For the bottom silver piece, align this part with this line here. Now with this setup, which looks something like this, press this keyhole piece down again, padlock piece, pull it up against yourself and slide the padlock out. So with this you have solved the cast padlock, or the first part of it anyway. For the second part, you have to put it back together again. So basically do everything in reverse. I'll just quickly show you how it's done. So for this, what you have to do is get a keyhole piece, put it back here like so, and now when it's just taken apart, you'll see that these two pieces are slightly different. So the difference is that there is no bump on one of the pieces which is closer to the slit. So let me just make sure camera catches this. So there is no bump here. Okay. So what you have to do is basically do everything in reverse. So the keyhole piece, put it through the piece with no bump, and flip the other silver piece around and place the padlock piece in like so. Just line it here. So you have this set up. Now, if you remember, I'll just quickly do it. So what you have to do is to slot the padlock piece through the slit and make sure the silver piece is below the keyhole piece here. One. Okay, so the first move we have to do is to again push the keyhole piece down, padlock piece up, and then reverse, padlock piece down, keyhole piece up, and push it back together again. So we have swapped the slits position for the silver pieces. That's move number one. Now align the slits like so. Like so. Now this time the slits are actually totally aligned, like so. And with this separating line here, move the padlock, push the padlock piece down, so keyhole piece up, move the padlock piece downwards until you can't move it anymore. In reverse, push the keyhole piece down, padlock piece up, and then push the padlock piece up again. Now this is the second move. And the third move is move the silver pieces 180 degrees to each other. Align this separating line here around 45 degrees. Push the keyhole piece down, padlock piece up, and slide it sideways. Reverse, keyhole piece up, padlock piece down, push it back together again. And now you have put it back together again with where we have started. So this is my version of the padlock solution. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments or if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. Please leave a thumbs up or a like if you like this content, and please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll keep posting new videos every 2 days or so. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and bye.